Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. A government shutdown is looming as the Finance Ministry continues to face backlash for not settling outstanding salary issues. Last Friday, 11 unions under the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions wrote to the Finance Ministry demanding a meeting to discuss outstanding items within 10 days. President of the Jamaica Civil Service Association, JCSA, Tesha Clark-Griffiths, says it's more than 30,000 members, as well as the wider civil service represented by the Federation, are restive.
The Ministry of Finance is taking long. We've indicated the reinstatement of passenger mileage still outstanding, retroactive mileage payment still outstanding, payment of increments, clarification for subsistence, overtime policy, uniform policy, passenger mileage. All of those things are outstanding. And we have been having conversations from last year. We have agreed in principle on some of those, and we are at us with the increment payment, and everything is being withheld as a package deal. No, we can't take it no more. They have received their payments. We are asking for ours, and we're asking for equity and fairness. And our members are restive. That much I can say.
Mrs. Clark-Griffiths warned members are ready to take action to register their displeasure.
There is going to be problems. There is going to be problems. Our members have indicated to me as president that they are not willing to wait any longer. So we are waiting on the ministry, giving them adequate time in. We should have had these meetings from January. We have been clamoring for a date, and they are very unresponsive. Ministry of Finance, unresponsive. So we are ready when the ministry is ready.